What's going on, everybody? This is Michael 11 Freedom. I'm here today in Da Nang, Vietnam, and it is another beautiful day out here. I stepped out on the patio, decided to calibrate my drone, get my drone ready for another adventure tomorrow. On Friday, we should be heading to another beautiful, lovely spot so I can show you guys some of the great historical places here in Vietnam. What you see here is just a little quick overlook of the area, the neighborhood. This right here is our condo that we're living in. We live out a very peaceful countryside area, which I like it. There's not no noise. We have a man-made pond there, as you see flying over on the tree line there. And at night, it's called the Garden Restaurant down below. You've probably seen that when I showed you guys on the live stream. And this is the condo. We're currently up on the 7th floor, I think. We're on the 7th floor, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's out in the middle of a residential area, away from all of the city life, which gives us an opportunity to relax and rest and not have to deal with a whole lot of noise and relaxation. And this is me flying back over to bring the drone back in. I was actually on the balcony taking the drone off, trying to test my little pilot skills. But just wanted to let you guys see just a little bit why I calibrate the drone, get it ready for tomorrow. I'm still learning process with this drone, thinking about getting another one because this one I want to do a little bit of upgrade and probably pass this along down to my grandkids or either to my son. To the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love.